My lecture topic is reservation system. For better understanding, I divided my topic in three subgroups. In first part, I describe what is reservation system. Second part, reservation system in India from ancient until now. What was the changes have been done by our Indian government in this reservation system. Third part, I describe what was the opposition have debate on this or controversy or contrary to this reservation system to our Indian government. Now move on the first part. What is reservation system? Reservation system is a process which gives reservation to candidate or the peoples who belong from underprivileged and they want reservation in the jobs in central government job or in public and private sector. Now move on the second part, reservation system in India. As we all of know that India is a sovereign secular state till independence. There is a reservation system when there is a Pune Pact agreement signed by M.K. Gandhi and Bhimrao Ambedkar. M.K. Gandhi demanded separate electorate and also demand reservation system. That it shows that since in ancient period also there is importance of reservation system, and also British government also understood its importance and give reservation system. Like in 1933, British Prime Minister Macdonald have gives the communal award and also give reservations to the Anglo Indians, Dalit, Muslims, and underprivileged caste. If we compare to recent, now our government also give certain reservation to various caste like OBC. It give reservation to 27%, SC 15%, in ST 7.5%, and now it would seem to be a drastic change in also give reservation to the general category. That means government give 10% reservation to EWS, economically weaker section, in general category. It really a very major step or good step taken by our Indian government for the general category people also. Now move on the third part. What was the opposition opinion about this? Opposition told that government must need to increase the number of seats in OBC, SC or ST, and also increase their reservation chance or reservation scope in the government job. And also various opposition or intellectual told that without giving them reservation to these people, you will give them financial support who belongs from underprivileged or they are poverty, and by selecting them this person among the miserable, the government must should be given financial support, and then they would try to give them reservation after selecting, unless rather than giving all the caste reservation. It will the intellectual demand. At last I want to conclude that government must tackle this opposition opinion very calmly and very in ethic or very strong minded, so that government must tackle it very strongly, so that no harm would be seen to observe or with neither opposition nor with the common man, so that it will save our integrity or peace of the lives of the human beings. Okay, thank you.